Comments are reference points for developers to go through and understand a code. They are used to explain the code and may help when you want to edit the source code later. Browsers ignore comments. If you want to add CSS comment to this, you only add it within the style element, which is right here. To add the CSS comment, you say /star, then you put the comment. Let's say this is the background color of the web page, and then you close the comment with a star and another /. This is comment. You can't add it outside the style element like here, because if I run this, I come here and we run, you see it will appear there. So HTML doesn't recognize CSS comment as comment. Only CSS recognizes it as comment. That's why we put it within the style element. Another place you can put CSS comment is in a CSS document like this one. So we can say /star. This sets the h2 h3 text to center. Then we say / or we say this alliance rather, and then we save. So this is a comment. You can also put comment on multiple lines. I can come here now and say /star, new line. This is an external CSS document. Use it for free. And then I come here and close it. Just fine. Here too, I can, within the CSS, I can say /star, new line. This is Coditure. The best platform for tech. And then I close my comment and I'm good. So if I save it, save this one. Okay, that's all. Then I come here and you want, so it will work fine. So this is how you add comments to a CSS document. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.